Hi everyone, and welcome back to Attic Train 769. And today we're going to be doing a little bit of special video here on the Reading Railroad Company. Today we'll be looking at my model of the 2102 Blue Mountain in Reading and Reading 2025 280 consolidation engine, and the Reading, of course, is a 484. And remember, you guys have one more day left to enter the giveaway for the Mike's Train House Burlington Northern tank car. But besides the point, we've done a couple of these videos before with a couple other railroads. We did them with the Chesapeake in Ohio. We've done it with the Western Maryland. So today we're going to be doing it with the Reading. So we'll start here with a little bit of history on the Reading Railroad Company. The Reading Company was a Philadelphia headquartered railroad that provided passenger and commercial rail transport in eastern Pennsylvania and neighboring states, that operated from 1924 to 1976 and was succeeded by Conrail, commonly called the Reading Railroad. The logo typed as a Reading Lines. The Reading Company was a railroad company holding majority of the existence, was a single railroad. During the last years, it operated services as the Reading Railway System and was a successor to the Philadelphia Reading Railway Company, founded in 1833 until the decline in the coal regions after World War II. It was one of the most prosperous corporations in the United States. Competition with modern trucking industry that used the interstate highway system for short distance transporting of goods, known as short hauls, and compounded the companies into forcing into bankruptcy in 1971. Its railroad operations merged into Conrail in 1976. So, there's a little bit of history on the railroad itself. We'll talk about a little bit about these engines we got here on the layout. I know I've gone over this a little bit so far. Right now I have the 2102 out as a review. The 2025 is coming soon. You guys have already seen a first look at that. We'll go into a little bit of history with that, of the engine itself. But let's start with the 2102. Now the 2102 is a preserved T1 Northern type steam locomotive, originally built by Baldwin in 1925 as an I-10 SA 280 consolidation engine. Number 2102 was a rebuilt by the Reading's own locomotive shops as a 484 Northern in 1945, and it was used to pull heavy coal trains for the railroad until being retired from revenue service in 1956. Between 1962 and 1964, number 2102 was used to pull the famous Iron Horse Rambles excursions alongside its sister engines 2100 and 2124. After the Rambles ended in 1964, number 2102 was sold to Steam Tours Inc. of Akron, Ohio, spending the next 23 years pulling various fan trips in the Northeast, Mid-Atlantic, and Midwest. In 1985, it was sold again to Andy Muller to operate on his Reading Blue Mountain and Northern Railroad alongside 462 Pacific number 425 until its flu ticket expired in 1991. In February of 2016, the locomotive was restored to operating condition and returned to service in April 2022. Now, if you go back in our videos here, I do have videos of going to ride the 2102 myself at the Reading and Northern Railroad Company from Reading, Pennsylvania to Jim Thorpe, Pennsylvania. So go check that video out and check out the review on this engine as well. Very nice model and a very nice engine in real life. If you ever get a chance to go ride the 2102, I definitely do recommend it. It was a great time. So the 2025, this guy is a Reading class I-10 SA. The Reading Railroad class I-10 SA is a class of 50 280 consolidation steam locomotives built in 1923 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works, numbered 2000 to 2049, and were built to pull heavy freight trains at 45 to 55 miles per hour. Between 1945 and 1947, the Reading Railroad rebuilt 30 of the 50 I-10SA Class 280s consolidation engines into Class T1 484 Northerns. Of those, locomotives numbered 2020 to 2049 were rebuilt to T1 484 locomotives. The locomotives were renumbered. 2020 became Reading T1 2100. Locomotive 2021 became 2101, the famous Sissy Steam Special. And locomotive 2022 became 2102. 2023 became 2103. Other numbers numbered 2024 to 2049 became 2104, 21 through 2129 respectively. They remained in service until 1954 and 1957. The rest of the I-10SA 280 consolidation locomotive type engines were scrapped from 1949 to 1952. Today, the 2100, 2101, 2102, and 2124 are preserved to show the livery of what used to be the 280 consolidation engines, now Reading T1 484 locomotives. So now that we've gone over a little bit of history on these guys, I want to go ahead and get these guys running around the layout, get you guys some great shots of this. Two trains going around the layout, both pulling coal freight behind them, just like they would have on the Reading Railroad. So give me a second here and we'll get these guys going, and we'll be back with a wrap up after we are done running these guys around the tracks. So thank you guys for watching. We'll be back in a minute. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's a lot of fun to make here in the Reading. We like the Reading Railroad here at Attic Trains with many other railroads, so you guys will be seeing a lot more content like this come out. Hopefully I sound better to you guys. I got a new mic, so hopefully you can hear me a little bit better. I know you guys, some of you guys were having a hard time hearing me with my old setup, so we got a new mic. Hopefully you can hear me better. And like I said in the intro, make sure you go into the giveaway. You only have until Sunday. Sunday is going to be the drawing at 3 o'clock. We're going to be doing the drawing for the winner of the Burlington and Northern Mike's Train House car for the giveaway for the 100 subscriber. To enter that video, you must go to our review on the Nickel Plate and Road Berkshire 769. Comment your favorite railroad. You must be subscribed and liked the video to be entered in this contest to win that thing. So yeah, make sure you go do that. You only got till Sunday. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you go check us out over on TikTok at Attic Train 769. We are now on Instagram as well, so go check us out over at Attic_Trains_769 and give us a follow. Keep up with the up-to-date things that we're doing, just as well as we do on TikTok. Look there, we got behind the scenes stuff there on TikTok for you guys, and small short videos. And I'll probably start doing shorts here on YouTube as well. I will be live streaming over on TikTok here soon. But yeah, make sure you check out your local hobby shops. Go check out Perry's Toy Exchange if you're ever in Maryland. If you can't make it to Maryland, go check them out on eBay. I'll leave a link in the description below. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. And make sure you hit the little bell for more notifications. We'll see you next time back here at the Attic. Thank you.